So good afternoon everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So in today's discussion, let us talk about a very important topic, that is pollution. So we have already discussed about pollution in our previous classes. So let us discuss about the causes, effects and the mitigation measures of different types of pollution in detail now. So let us start with air pollution.
Thank you, ma'am. Air pollution is a kind of harmful substances which are being spread in our environment. The air is the main thing which we humans, all living things, all inhale and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. So it is in all the harmful substances being mixed in the air which causes the pollution. It is a high time that we have to take a immediate measure to reduce this air pollution because it causes a lot of problem like breathing difficulties, so many harmful substances which are mixed in the air, and it causes so many damages to the humans also. So like this being the kind of air pollutants are the sulfur dioxide, the carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, these things which gets mixed up with the air, and it can also result in the acid rain, which is again a very serious disaster to the environment. So now it's time to even prevent this kind of air pollution which is happening around us. There are certain measures which can be taken, and the government has also implemented so many steps in preventing this air pollution to a level. So it is my friend here, Shruti, who is going to discuss about the measures and the acts which are being taken by the government to prevent the air pollution.
Environment Protection Act 1986. This act empowers the central government to take measures to protect and improve environment and including land laying down emission and discharge standards for air pollution, and Motor Vehicle Act 1988. This act regulates vehicle emission and empowers the central government to emission standard for vehicle environment impact assessment notification 2006. This notification refers to project to access the environment impact including air pollution.
So we have heard about air pollution now, and now let us hear about the water pollution. So another important pollution that is we are facing in day-to-day life, isn't it? So Vishnu, can you say?
Yes, ma'am. Water pollution is something when happens harmful things like chemicals, garbages, or home wastes mix in the clean water. This makes water unsafe to use humans like animals or plants. Causes of water pollution is factory waste. We are factories throw waste in river like lakes. Throwing waste, plastic waste to the river is also making water polluted.
So can you share what are the mitigation measures that can be taken to reduce water pollution?
Recycle the water instead of wasting the water. We can reuse the water. Next is avoid plastics. Avoid throwing the plastics through environment or like rivers or lakes. Then give spread awareness to the people. That's all.
Okay, very good.
Thank you.
So another important topic, that is soil pollution or land pollution. So Ashika, can you?
Waste materials into the soil is called land pollution. The deposition of solid and liquid waste materials can contaminate the land and the soil resources and water resources also.
So what are the causes of land pollution?
The causes of land pollution is industrial activities, release of chemicals, heavy metals and toxic substances, agricultural practices, excessive use of pesticides, fertilizers and irrigation, waste disposal, improper disposal of industrial, agriculture and domestic waste, urbanization, construction, demolition and urban waste, mining, extraction of minerals leading to soil erosion and contamination, littering, discarding waste such as plastics and chemicals, accident spills, leaks from storage tanks and pipelines. These are the causes of land pollution.
So, mining, improper usage of pesticides, like more of pesticides and littering, all these things comes under the causes. So, what could be the mitigation measures?
The prevention are throw garbage properly, recycle and reuse, reduce plastic usage, plant more trees, use less harmful chemicals and compound organic waste and raise awareness to people.
So, the next important pollution is radiation or nuclear pollution. So, can you explain about that, Swati?
Yes, ma'am. Nuclear pollution is a substance that is radioactive substance released by human activities like nuclear power generation, then improper disposal of industrial wastes like chemical products, radioactive, which is releasing radioactive substances. Sources of nuclear pollution are improper disposal of industrial wastes, then nuclear power generations, power plants produces waste. The effects of nuclear pollution are environmental damage, water pollution, long-term impacts, and soil contaminations.
Okay. What are the mitigation measures then?
Giving awareness, then proper education, safety regulations, proper disposal of nuclear waste, then giving awareness, then protection of industries to prevent damages.
So far we have discussed about pollution and its type. So, air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution and nuclear pollution. So, apart from this we have light pollution and noise pollution, which we will be discussing in our next session. And so, pollution is a result of human activities, right? So, major cause of pollution is from the human activities. So, as responsible citizens, we must take our own responsibility to reduce pollution. So, we know what are the causes, right? So, when we know the causes, we have to overcome those causes by taking few steps that we can do in our daily life. So, that's it. Thank you.